Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the one-page checkout and some of the cool features we've added to the software through the one-page checkout for gathering information from your customers. First thing we're going to do is talk about the forced and an optional anonymous checkout feature. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Settings, click on Config Variables, and then I'll click on Checkout Variables right here. And if you scroll down, you'll see these two options right here, Anonymous Checkout Forced and Anonymous Optional. By default, both of these are going to be unchecked. And when both of them are unchecked, your store will behave like it always has, where the customer has to register and provide a password and create an account, and like always. So what I'm going to do now is check the optional box and click Save Changes. And then we'll go over to the front of the store. I have an IE open here, and we'll go to and just add something to the cart real quick. And here's the new shopping cart page. This is not the final one-page checkout area, but we're about to be there real quick. The first thing we need to do is do these little shipping rate things real quick. So we'll just choose Texas and recalculate. And then I'll select something here and then click Proceed to Checkout. Now when we proceed to checkout, here's the one-page checkout area. And you would just fill in your name, info, and all that stuff. And down here is the registration area. You see how my email address has a red star next to it? A red star denotes required fields. When we check this box for optional checkout, what it does is it takes out the asterisk next to the password fields because it's not required anymore. It's optional anonymous. So if you want to create it, you can go ahead. If you don't, just leave it blank. Let's go ahead and see what it would look like if we made it completely anonymous. So we'll go back over here and we'll check the box for forced. When both of these are checked, it's the same thing as just checking forced. You can do it either way, have both of them checked or just check forced. It's the same thing. Go down the bottom, click Save Changes. And now if we go here and we're still in our page, and if I hit refresh, now we only see the email address because it's forced anonymous checkout, and you don't want your customers to have to create an account, so there's no reason for the password section